Welcome to 4 Davidson Street, Cooee Bay.
We go bottoms up.
This gorgeous property isn't only about the location, although you are a stone's throw to Cooee Bay Beach and Lammermoor. I absolutely love the hardwood floors throughout and the raised ceiling.
In the cold, chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up.
So guys, there you have it for 4 Davidson Street in Cooee Bay. This hidden gem is situated on a 683 metre square allotment with full fencing and double side access with room for a shed and pool. If you'd like to know more about this property, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'll talk to you soon.